Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to block any person, you can search for them using the search box, or you can click on My Network, which will show you all of your connections. Click on the connections or the following and followers option, and now you will see the individuals that you are following as well as the followers that you have. Once you find an individual that you wish to block, open up their profile by clicking on it, and you will see the More option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the Report/Block option. Click on this option and you will have the option to report or block the account. Click on the block option at the first, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to proceed with blocking this person. Go ahead and provide your confirmation, and this individual will now be blocked from your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block someone from your account on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.